you guys I was going to get in front of the camera more this year, and here I am. So take it all in. All right, it's your girl Nettie from Nettieshairtique, and I am back with another video. I am about to start prepping for 3 wigs right now. That's what I'm doing today. So I have 3 mesh ventilated caps right here, and I'm going to start prepping them for my customers, just getting them ready. They're all medium size. So I'm just going to just take them out, and I'm going to start to put the customer's names on them, because since when I do multiple wigs at a time, I definitely don't want to, get anything mixed up. So I want to make sure that I'm doing the right thing. So I'm going to start by just writing the name, and I'm just going to just put it on the inside of the wig cap. Alright, so I am finished. All of the names are inside of the cap, so I know who belongs to who. And then I am going to go ahead and start to prep their enclosures and get ready to sew everything down. Okay, so I'm going to start setting up the closures right now. And I have all 3 of the closures. I'm going to open them up. I opened up the first one already. It's an 18-inch body wave. Okay, so I'm going to be using my BW2 bleach with my 30 volume developer. I do not like to use any other bleach. This is the one that I like the best, so this is the one that I use. In order to reduce any brassiness, I do add some of the red and gold corrector to the bleach after I mix it. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes since I bleached the knots. This is my top tier closure. You can see that those knots are already, they're already turned. They're like a light brown right now. So I'm gonna have to wash this out soon. I'm just gonna show you, this is my, this is not my top tier closure. This is for my affordable hairline. And you can see the knots have not turned yet. So I'm gonna have to leave this one longer. I usually leave this one for about 30 minutes. And my top tiers I usually leave on for about anywhere between maybe like 15 to 20 minutes. It depends. One is going to be, this is a 23-inch circumference, and I am using a large mesh ventilated cap. But the 12-inch unit is going to have a lot of volume. It's going to be thicker, so I'm going to be using 3 bundles, and I want to make sure that I am fitting all of my bundles. So I'm going to draw my lines closer together, and then I'm going to draw it here because I still have to pay attention to what do you call it, to the tabs. I don't want to sew down this tab, so I gotta still make sure that I'm sewing under and over that, and I gotta make sure that the lines also line up here. If you guys want to see that detailed video of how I draw my lines for the mesh ventilated cap, I do have that on my channel. So I show you how to line it here. So you want to make sure that you're drawing your line under here, above here. Your line should meet here at the tab, and then over, it's like a bar here, so you want to draw over that, and then your wefts will lay pretty good.
Well, for the remainder of the video, I'm just going to be putting these wigs together. I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I created this 3 units. Like I said earlier in the video, I don't like to work on more than 3 units at a time. I like to give my units undivided attention. So 3 units is perfect for me to do that. And once I finish putting the wigs together, and then, I can go ahead and I can work on the next batch. And then the next day I'll go into coloring and washing the units and stuff like that. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give your girl a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.